before anything else. Just try this. If you can, gently close your eyes. If not, that's okay. Just soften your gaze. Nothing to force, nothing to do right. Just begin. The moment your eyes begin to rest, notice what changes. The outside world gets a little quieter. Not gone, just softer. You don't have to follow every sound, every light. Just let it fade on its own. You don't have to do anything. Just let your eyes be still. Close your eyes and feel your body slow. Close your eyes and let your breath flow. No effort, no control. Just staying here is enough. Now gently notice your eyelids. The muscles around your eyes begin to soften, like something that has been holding, finally letting go. Say quietly inside, my eyes are at peace, my eyes are resting. You don't have to believe it fully, just say it. Even if nothing changes, that's okay. You're still doing it right. Close your eyes and stay right here. Close your eyes and feel it become clear. Every moment a little deeper, without trying, just being here. Now, let's try something simple. Pretend just for a moment that your eyes are so relaxed they don't wanna open. Not forced, just resting. Now gently try to open them just a little and notice, do they wanna open or stay closed? If they open, that's completely okay. Nothing went wrong. Just try again this time. Pretend a little more. My eyes are resting. I choose to keep them closed. No force, just a choice. Close your eyes and feel the difference now. Close your eyes and just allow. The body follows what the mind accepts. Even a little is enough. Deeper, just a little deeper. Slower, just a little slower. Nothing to reach, nothing to fix, just staying here. Close your eyes and stay with your breath. Close your eyes and rest in this. Nothing to change, nothing to prove, just being here is the first step. The door is open. You are inside. If your eyes wanna open, that's okay. Take your time. But now you know, this place is always here. Close your eyes, honey.